Air conditioning is using gas. Yes. Not like your gas and central heating system. It'll be refrigerant. Like I said, R32 or 410 would be in the condenser, passed around the system. And that's essentially just absorbing heat and moving it from one place to other, whether it be cooling or for heating. It just reverses the cycle and does the opposite. Which is why you can only have one or the other, either heating or cooling, unless you're talking about a bigger system which allows both. You would only want heating in the winter and then cooling in the summer, so you're not going to use them for both, say, all year round.